What's up, coffee friends? Today we have something really special that came in the mail. And it's this right here. And see what's inside. The Outin BCRF collaboration box. So this is a new edition of the Outin Mino, which they made in collaboration with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. And let's check out what's inside the box. So when you open it up, it says, "Your next adventure already smells like espresso." Then there's a QR code for the guide, which we will check out. Inside the box is this beautiful carrying case or carrying bag for the Mino, and another box that says Outin Mino Essentials Kit. Let's take a look at what's inside. So you get Sip, Smile, Connect. It's here. And I think it's stickers. So these beautiful stickers. The instruction manual. And a USB Type-C cable. And this metal thing. I can guess what this is for. This is probably for pushing or prying the filter basket off the Mino, but we'll find out. That's what's in this small box. And then in here we have the coffee holder, that's my guess, which I think needs to be pried open with this here. So that's why they had it. There it is. Here you go. So I can't wait to test this out and see how many grams of coffee it can handle. But there's the filter basket. Looks nice. Also, I am guessing this here is a funnel that goes on top. So you get to put your coffee in through that, so that it's almost like a funnel, like a dosing ring. Yeah. And a little scoop. Very nice. I don't like how that sounds, but it looks like that's how they made it. Can you hear that? Kind of makes me nervous. All right, so that's what's in the box. Now let's take a look at what the unit itself looks like. Oh, and it's pink. Very nice. You know, if you guys are familiar with multisensory science, they say that pink enhances the sweetness of our perception in coffee. So that might be one of the reasons, aside from this being a collaboration with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. So there you go. I kind of like it. There's just one button in there, and then it says there's some instructions on how to use the battery, how to use the power button. On top is where the water goes. And this here, oh, there's another, okay. Oh, and this one here is what holds Nespresso compatible capsules, or Nespresso capsules. So we're gonna give that a try too. And I can't wait to start brewing with this. It's such a nice, compact gadget. And I think you brew into this and you can drink from it. Oh, and it's Triton. It's Triton plastic, which is a really food-safe plastic. And I like how that just goes on, and there's that click. There's that nice, satisfying click. I like that. I like that they did that. The cover and everything, it looks really nice. The material looks solid, and I definitely cannot wait to test all this stuff out. I do wonder if everything can fit perfectly all together. Like, can I like put all the parts? Can I put all the parts, like bundle it all together and travel with it? Like, where do we put this? Oh, there. That's cool. And then this here goes in. Yeah, perfect. It's almost like they thought of that. They probably did. They probably thought of that. And then we just plug it up like that. Put it in the bag. It'd be cool if the bag had space for capsules or for ground coffee. Maybe up here there's still a little bit of space. We'll just like lock it in. There's still some space. You could hang this like on a belt or something. So yeah, really cool. So Outin sent this to me to make a review on it. In the next few weeks, I will be messing around with this and testing it out. And let's see what kind of espressos we can pull out of this. I really can't wait to start brewing some espressos with this awesome portable espresso maker. All right, the Outin Breast Cancer Research Foundation collaboration espresso machine. Bye.